Hello and welcome to the Teach Me Forex Swing in Position weekly wrap-up session. This is the edition for December 20th, 2008. And this is the last one of the year, folks. So right away, let's get back and have a quick flashback on the last week. Last week there was an error omitted. There was still one trade going there. So these are the total that we ended up getting. 109 pips for the week. Pretty substandard, and a 16.7% compounding factor, so that's very good. Take that to the bank, folks. And this week we've got a total, we've closed 198 pips. Slim pickings. Is a lot better early in the week, but as the week went on, things we got on a little slump. You'll see all those details in a sec. But how much would we have compounded our accounts by here this week? Well, take a look at this. 24.6%, just short of 25%, so that's a $2,500 gain on a $10,000 starting balance. Pretty good, pretty good. So you're wondering how we get these results, how we're able to up our accounts so much by taking so little pips. Well, here we're about to tell you, but first let me tell you how things work in the swing in position team trade room. So we approach trading fully mechanically. Mechanical strategies, entry, stop loss, profit taking, everything is fully mechanical. And we trade 4 time frames: 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily charts over these 8 pairs that we follow: the euro, the pound, the Swissy, the yen, the Canadian, the EJ, the Aussie, and the Kiwi. And we never risk over 1% on any trades. As a matter of fact, we try to keep our risk right around and never over 1%. Always. So all signals are considered equals. That leaves no emotions, nothing to emotions. Everything is simply pure mechanical execution all the way to the bank. So here are the results. So let's have a few showcase. So this week there was a total of 13 trades. Out of those, we had 4, 5, 6, 7 losers and 6 winners. I believe that would be it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and really 3 main winners. So let's do a look at a few highlights here. So we had a couple of trades off the daily chart on the euro and the Swissy. Those basically went 100 pips on the profit and then came back to us. And since it's on the daily chart, our money management only allowed us to lock in a 1 pip profit. That's life, folks. That's what happens when we're trading mechanically. A couple of those signals came off the 4 hours, and we also had a couple come off the 1 hour. So 7 came out of the 15-minute chart there, and I believe that most of our winners, if not all our winners, did come off the 15-minute charts this week. So let's talk about the biggest loser. Biggest loser occurred a couple of times on the 2 4-hour trades. We lost 30 pips here, so 1% in each case. And if we look at the smallest loser, well, we lost 10 pips about 3 times on our 15-minute charts. If we look at our winners, the biggest kahuna was on the pound 15-minute chart. We were able to gather 140 pips. That is good for 14% on the account. And the smallest win, well, we had a 3 pipper on the yen 15 minutes. And if we look at our 2 daily charts, well, we took a pip there as well. So that's the week in review. Our total, again, 198 pips take home, and 24.6%. So, you know, as Christmas approaches, things are getting wild. The market is getting thinner, and our levels are not being respected as much. So, end of story. This is what it is right now on the mechanical side of trading. Nonetheless, we're posting profits, and we're up for sure for the month. So let's go to the charts and take a look at least we'll take a look at our big kahuna here this week. Let's go to the pound. Alright, so here's the pound chart. So the pound kind of switched in a shorter uptrend, and so we're trying as usual to pick our bottoms on this, and that we did right there to the pip, 52.03, and this is as low as the pound went on that day. So 5200, 52.03, this was the low of this candlestick, as you can see. So we took off and went to 53.52 for a first shot at a profit taking there. Then we went up to 53.77, which was the high, by the way, so far that day. We came back down to 53.48 a little bit later on after the second high. So 53.48 we got it, and then 52.96 we end up closing our last lots. That compounds for 140 pips. Starting with a 10 pip stop loss, this means that this is 14% on your account. So add 14% to what you had if you took this trade. Congratulations to all who did. Alright, so let's have a quick flashback here again. So our weekly total 198 pips. We compounded our account by 24.6%. This is great. So this, just like that, this completes our wrap up for this week. So if you're wondering what we do, how we do it, how to get these results for yourself, you'll need to join us, and to do so you need to go to www.teachmeforex.com. And this is the last one of the year, folks. So we want to thank you very much for sticking with us throughout the year, watching us week after week, seeing our progression. We're going to come back in the new year with a new format for all these weekly reports. We're pretty excited about it. We're going to add a little bit of sizzle, but always the same honest results. So we want to thank you very much, and from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, we want to wish you some happy, loving, and fun holiday period.